Some of you have heard me talk about this book on the firesides. It's called Seek and Expect Miracles. It's the stories of angels, visions, and revelations among our pioneer fathers. You know, I love this book, and I love these stories. They're so affirming of faith, so powerful. This book, as it stands, isn't officially going to be launched until into September. But we have a few cases that were delivered early, which we're offering to you as kind of a pre-launch special. If you'd like this copy on a special deal, or part of the pre-launch, multiple copies, go to glennrawsonstories.com. Otherwise, you got to wait for September, and it comes out much later. But if you want a copy sooner, go to glennrawsonstories.com for our pre-launch special. The book is Seek and Expect Miracles, Stories of Angels, Visions, and Revelations Among the Pioneers. Thanks.